Hi guys! Today we're going to do some fun stuff. I am going to show you how to apply false lashes. I am going to do two different versions. I'm going to do one side of my eye with the individual lashes and then also the other side of my eye with the banded strip lashes. What you're going to need is the actual lashes themselves, and I'll explain down below what products I used, and you can go from you'll need the tweezers. That's one of my tools I use, the actual lash glue, and the lashes. All right, so I'm gonna get started here. I am gonna start with one eye. I do have a little bit of makeup on my face, but for you, since you might be practicing at home, you may wanna try practicing with no makeup on, put the lashes on, see what you think, and then you'll have a better idea if you're able to put them on when your makeup is done. So I do use the tweezers to take the lash off like this. And then I am gonna just dip the end of the lash in the glue, and you want it to dry a little bit so it's a little bit more adhesive so it sticks to your lashes. Sometimes these spin, so you will want to be aware of that, which is happening right now with me. They don't always go on easily the first time, and this is why I say you should practice. I'm gonna try the other eye. And I am kind of pulling my eye apart like this because it's just easier to see the base of your lashes. And again, with these individual ones, it's gonna take a little bit of time to build, so you do have to be patient. For instance, this one's twisting. You might not be able to see it. But this is why a tweezers is really helpful. I'm not loving these ones, to be honest with you. So I'm gonna use a different style of individual ones that I have. And I'll put that in the description down below too, so you know what I'm using here. Again, just getting a little bit of glue, letting it dry. Just placing it right next to the other one. And sometimes I'll use the end of the tweezers to push down, but you can see how it's starting to build. You do have to be a little bit patient, like I said, with these individual ones. I mean, it's starting to look really good. I love lashes. They really change the entire look. Put lashes on and you kind of feel like a different person. See, it's looking real good. I like it. Okay, I'm gonna do a little bit more. You might want to use a smaller size on the inner corner just to have that more natural graduation from shorter to longer. It's up to you. I don't mind this look, but I will put another one on the inner corner. You want it to look a little cohesive. You don't want it to look like there's nothing there and then there's lashes. So we're gonna go ahead and just put another one right on the inner corner. You do see how the tweezers is really coming in handy. It's like your best friend. You can't really get those fine detailed corners with your fingers. I mean, that's where I would probably use a smaller one. I mean, I just would. So if using the individual lash, that would be like considered a cat eye, literally what you just saw. Anyways, so they're still drying, but you can see, I mean, look how great it looks when this says no makeup on, just lashes. I like it. So now I'm gonna show you the banded lashes. Again, just using the tweezers. Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye, kitty. Okay. Oh. So I'm gonna take the end of the tweezers and I'm gonna use that as my applicator for the glue. So I'm gonna just take it and I'm gonna put the glue right on the strip of the lash, like that. Just a little bit. You don't want a lot of glue. Enough to adhere to your lashes, but not too much to where it's gonna seep off the ends. Still letting it dry a little bit. Now I have the other end of my tweezers. So basically my tweezers is like my fingers. I'm using it as a tool. I'm using one side with the tweezers, one side with the fingers, and it's just gonna help me place it on my eye equally. Wow. With this situation, you're gonna wanna tilt your head back, because naturally when you put your head back, your eyes sort of close, so it's gonna be easier for you to get to the base of the lash. And then you can use the other end of the tweezers like that. So the inner corner is not necessarily, but you get the idea. A little bit less time involved with putting the strip lash on, but you still get the same effect. I do thank you for tuning in. I will put the products that I use down in the details and description box. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, tell all your friends about me, and I will see you guys soon. Thanks.